Have you ever wondered how our brain works when it deals with our daily problems, especially when they are fake, made-up ones? You have a problem. Or if you're like everybody else, you have a fake problem. You know the type, a problem that doesn't affect your life in any meaningful way, but still manages to creep its way into your consciousness at various points throughout the day and cause you anxiety. Welcome to another inspiring video. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to keep you updated whenever we post new content. In this video, we'll learn about why our brain creates fake problems, how it affects our lives, and how we fix them. From your heartbeat to your breathing and beyond. Virtually every part of your body is controlled by your brain. And this control center of yours is made up of a complex network of billions of cells. All those cells help to make the brain so effective at doing its job, keeping you alive, aware, and able to react to the world around you. Creating a fake problem creates added levels of angst and frustration. The creation of these false problems is another way to maintain control over others and keep them needy, dependent, or stuck. So why is this happening? The limbic system of our brains is what keeps us alive in a survival situation. It detects threats and prompts the sympathetic nervous system to send signals to prepare the body for action, known as fight or flight. The amygdala and hypothalamus are two main parts of the limbic system involved in the fear response. The amygdala develops fear responses, and when it senses danger, it causes the hypothalamus to release hormones that create bodily changes. In the old days, peril was all over the place, and the mind advanced to keep you in the clear. Today, the possibilities of you being pursued somewhere by a lion on your way to work are low, yet that part of the brain is still there. Yet all things considered, keeping you out of peril triggers a passionate reaction to a non-existing issue. Not having any desire to navigate the high grass and the apprehension about experiencing a lion is substantial. Thinking not having any desire to go for a run since there's no ideal running track close to you. What you're basically doing is setting an obligation on things outside of your control. Obviously, you can do it, yet in your specific case, there's one problem that stops you. What fake problems are doing is guarding you and making you comfortable. You can't accomplish something wrong if you don't do it by any means, isn't it? Be that as it may, the issue with these fake problems is that together they make a greater issue that disables your growth. Whenever fake problems become genuine issues, your limbic system, additionally called the reptile mind, prevents you from doing awkward things to protect your well-being. It makes non-existent circumstances that you change into genuine issues that must be settled first. But the thing is, fake problems have no genuine arrangements. You can't fix something that's not there. In this case, the risk is only a slight burden, yet you treat it with a similar reaction, so you wind up doing nothing. You tell yourself on the off chance that if I spent to such an extent contemplating this, it implies I shouldn't do it, right? It doesn't fall into place easily, so why bother? It's a perpetual circle, and you get truly guarded when somebody calls attention to that. And afterward, something truly off-killer occurs. You meet somebody who did it with no issue. Surprisingly, they got it done without any problems. You're dazed. You don't know what to say, and you are stunned. You stay away from the discussion, and you don't need them to set the focus on you. It's a risk zone. You ponder internally that this guy did it with no issue. Am I just lazy? And afterward, the reptile mind kicks in. Obviously not, that is simple. I can make it happen with my eyes shut, yet I was caught up with doing another thing that matters more. Definitely that is the issue, and afterward the cycle proceeds, and on the off chance that you don't break the cycle, you'll wind up being dominated by individuals you believed were unable. So, how do you fix fake problems? We believe these are the most effective ways to fix them. Number 1. Let's assume you're sufficiently clever. Ignore them. You get that they're fake issues you made up. The reward is higher than the risk, and once you really do it, you'll see no issues. The only time an issue goes away, given that you disregard it, is if the issue is fake. So begin overlooking little fake problems. First, is it altogether too cold for a run? Do it at any rate. It's an independent direction. Some individuals battle with hard choices since they haven't made enough little ones. When you develop the propensity, things become more straightforward to make do. Number 2. Reward yourself. Envision compensating yourself for fixing a fake problem. You need to organize your finances for the month. However, you'll have to get the receipts. Find precisely what memberships you have. Perceive the amount you spend on food and other stuff and put everything in an Excel sheet. Could you get yourself something pleasant with anything with that cash you left lying around? Voila! That issue went away. I bet you might want to do those accounts immediately now. Isn't that right? Number 3. Transform fake issues into genuine opportunities. Don't have workout clothes? Get some that make you feel like you're preparing for the Olympics. These are only a few plans to help you stop those fake problems from the beginning. Now you know how to deal with fake problems in the future. We wish that you know how to deal with them the next time you encounter them. We believe you'll successfully survive any problems that you'll experience ahead. Think about your personal growth and stay optimistic. Before we end this video, I want to ask you a serious question. Have you experienced making up fake problems recently? How bad were they? Share them with us and we'll try our best to help each other out in the comments. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.